Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video of finding squares of any numbers within seconds. We will be covering this topic for different numbers including numbers ending with 5, numbers close to 10, 100 and 1000, numbers with unit digit 1, numbers less than 50, and numbers greater than 50. These are all simple techniques, with no use of calculator, no stress, and just a few easy steps. Before starting, don't forget to subscribe for notifications regarding our new videos, where you can learn new techniques on regular basis. So, let's start with our first trick. Suppose you need to find square of 65. Write 6 here, and then add 1 in it, which gives us 7. Now multiply 7 with 6. We get the answer as 42. Now, find square of last number, which is 5. Writing it at the end of previous answer will give us the square of 65, which is 4,225. Let's take another example where we need to find square of 95. Write 9 here, and like previous example, add 1 in it. Similarly, multiply both the numbers, so answer we get is 90. Now, find square of 5 and write it at the end of 90. Final answer which we get is 9025, which is the square of 95. Moving to our next trick, which is about the numbers close to 10, 100 and 1000. For example, you need to find square of 105. You can also follow the previous technique on it since it is ending with 5, but here we need to learn a new technique because sometimes we may need to find square of numbers not ending with 5. For this example, we know that 100 plus 5 makes 105. Add 5 into the original number, which makes 110. Find the square of number 5, which is 25. Simply writing it at the end of previous result gives us final answer. Let's take another example where we need to find square of 96. We know that 100 minus 4 equals 96, so, subtract the same number from 96, which makes it 92. Find square of this number, which is 16. Simply, write the result at the end of 92 which gives us final answer that is 9216. Let's take a number closer to 1000. Suppose you need to find square of 986. We know that 1000 minus 14 is equal to 986. Subtract the same number from 986, which gives us 972. Since square of 14 is 196, simply write it at the end of our previous result. Our next trick is about numbers ending with unit digit 1. For example, you need to find square of 51. We know 51 minus 1 equals 50. Now find square of 50, which is 2500. Now, double the number 50, we get 100. At the end, we need to perform simple addition. Just add 2500, 100, and 1, and here we get our final answer, which is 2601. Our next technique is for numbers less than 50. For example, you need to find square of 34. Since 34 is less than 50, so we subtract 34 from 50. Since the number is less than 50, so we always need to subtract the result from 25. The answer is 9. In the next step, find square of 16, which is 256. Now write both the answers like this and perform inverse addition, that is from leftmost side. The final answer which we get is 1156. So, we can say that square of 34 is 1156. Let's take another similar example, where you need to find square of 38. 50 minus 38 equals 12. Simply subtract 12 from 25, you will get 13. Find square of 12, which is 144. Add both the numbers like previous example and we will get final answer, which is the square of 38. I hope it's not tricky. If yes, just pause it and go back, watch one more time and you will understand. We move to our last technique, which is for numbers greater than 50. For example, you need to find square of 74. We know, 74 minus 50 equals 24. Since number is greater than 50, so now we add 25 in it, which gives us 49. Next step is to find square of 24, which is 576. Write both the answers one above the other like previous example. Perform addition of leftmost numbers. The final answer we get is 5476, which is the square of 74. Here you need to try one thing, just try to apply same technique on different kind of numbers. See which suits you best. Most of the times you will see that the easiest technique will give you the most difficult answers. Although there is a technique to find square of all kind of numbers using same method, that I will be teaching you in the next video, so don't forget to like this video. Comment about your easiest technique and the results you got. Share this video with your friends for more fun learning. Subscribe to this channel for quick notifications and updates about our new videos.